The 2007 Nissan Armada. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, a roof rack, rear wipers, and much more. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.